Welcome to this exquisite brand new home in the sought-after Orchard Hills Subdivision. Completed in September 2023 by Star Homes, it showcases meticulous craftsmanship and thoughtful design. The exterior features cultured stone details, a generous porch, and chic accents. Stepping inside the nearly 2,000 square foot open floor plan welcomes you with a grand foyer setting a sophisticated tone for what lies beyond. The awe-inspiring great room is adorned with 4 expansive 8-foot Anderson windows that bathe the room in natural light, accentuating the 10-foot ceilings and a striking 11-foot tray ceiling. A custom opulent gas tile fireplace with wood mantle serves as a focal point, adding both warmth and luxury to the ambiance. The chef's dream kitchen is perfect for entertaining guests with a 10-foot island, custom cabinets, quartz countertops, and top-of-the-line appliances. The split floor plan offers privacy with 3 bedrooms and 2 elegant bathrooms. The primary bedroom, Oasis, includes a spa-like bathroom and a spacious closet. Outside, enjoy the 345 square foot patio in a peaceful country setting. This modern and functional home offers a luxurious lifestyle in a new community. Your dream home awaits. Call Eddie Jemison today.